Hi friends, welcome to Code Stack Fix YouTube channel. Today I will show you 5 super easy tricks to make your PC faster by cleaning junk files. Let's get started. First step, click on the search bar, type run and open it. Now type %temp and click on OK. A folder will be open. These are the temporary files. Select all files. Now press delete. These will clean up space. Second step, open the window, run window again. Type cleanmgr. Open disk cleanup. Select here C drive. Wait a few seconds. Now select all options like recycle bin and temporary files and etc. here. Then click on OK here. Then click delete files. Step 3. Open the run window again. Type prefetch. Click on OK. If it's ask a permissions, click continue. Now delete all. Step 4. Again open run window here. Type tree. Press enter. It will open a tree view of your folders. These steps is just to explore. Step 5. Again open run window here. Type mrt and open it. This is Microsoft virus removal tool. Click on next. Before you need to select the full screen, then click on next again. Wait for the scanning to finish. Done. Your PC is now cleaner and faster. Like this video if it help. Share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. More useful videos are upcoming soon. Thank you.